Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, it's one of those days that we want to have a nice, hearty, keto-friendly meal, so let's get started. Now, the easiest thing for my son and I to eat would be like a hearty, keto-friendly soup with some cream, and it's raining outside, so this is the perfect time for this soup. We're cutting up some cauliflower, we're going to cut up some radishes, some onions, and some mushrooms. This is going to be delicious. Now, this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. All you have to do is create basically anything from a smoothie all the way down to barbecuing or just dessert, ice cream, doesn't even matter, guys. Just use the hashtag, upload the video, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now with me today, I have the beautiful Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now remember that as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Clicking the like button and for watching the video, this helps us YouTube content creators to grow. And then commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. And don't forget to share it, guys. Now, this is probably a good time for me to remind you that if you head on over to my community tab, there I post a calendar of collaborations for the whole month for you guys to enjoy. Okay, now normally when we get to this part here, we want to flash fry some onions and mushrooms. And we usually use a little bit of olive oil and the house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. Remember to season to taste according to what you like. Okay, so at this point here, we're going to add some chicken stock. We're also going to be adding some heavy cream and some sour cream. And remember, every time you add some items, you go back and taste in case you need to adjust your seasoning. Now, after all of this has simmered for a while, then we're going to go ahead and get our cheese ready. And you can also choose whatever cheese works for you. I find that adding the Colby Jack really works very well. Also adding some smooth cheese, like my son loves the Velveeta cheese in these kinds of soups. And it kind of makes it creamier and smoother. So that's what we're going to be adding. Once everything is in the pot, then all we do is shut everything off, let the cheese melt, and here we are at the reveal. Looks absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.